recommend you my perfect recipe for one tea that can help you remove your blood clots from your arteries on any kind of blood vessels. Also, this tea has got many other health benefits, especially for the heart and the blood vessels. At the end of the show, I'm going to recommend you my second video that is going to be a best vitamin that can help you a lot for removing blood clots and help your heart and the blood vessels. This tea is called ginger and cayenne warm tea. This tea aims to enhance blood circulation and provide warmth by combination of ginger heat generating properties with cayenne circulatory benefits. By drinking this tea, you prevent the formation of the blood clots, better control of your blood pressure and the function of the heart and the blood vessel. Drink it for 15 days in a row, then take a 15 days break. And take care, anyone who drinks medicine before taking these three, consult your doctors. Ingredients: 5 centimeters of ginger root, tiny sliced, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 2 cups of the water, 1 tablespoon of honey optional, lemon slice optional. Preparation: bring the water to a boiling in the small pot, and ginger slice and simmer for the 10 minutes. Remove from the heat and stir in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Strain the tea in the mug. Sweeten with honey, add slice of a lemon if you desire. And this is going to be one of the easiest way to get better, not get any kind of blood clots.